How to log Instagram app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. To log Instagram app, you simply need to navigate to the settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and look for the privacy option. Select that. Now next to permissions, choose privacy option. Now under privacy protection, you will get different options. Simply select app lock. Then you'll be required to enter your privacy password. Then once you come across this app lock page, turn on the button for app lock. Then you will see all your applications including Instagram. Locate the Instagram app and turn on the button. And then when you view the locked section, you will see Instagram has been listed here. So when you try to open Instagram, you'll have to enter your privacy password. So in this way, you can lock Instagram app on your phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment.